Engineered to perfection, established in 1990, synonymous with innovation. Meet Shemesh Automation, new technologies in automation, a tailor-made solution for each client. Project scoping, concept and design, manufacturing, commissioning and installation. From single machines through to complete turnkey production lines, we deliver automated packaging machinery individually tailored to our customers' specific needs. Experts in providing hands-free lines, Shemesh's range of feeding machines, denisters and unscramblers have enhanced the productivity of some of the world's biggest brands. Solid and liquid filling machines are the flagship offering in the Shemesh Automation range. We offer a wide variety of filling technologies to cater for a full spectrum of applications. Shemesh Automation has also engineered a range of ultra-accurate seal, fill seal or fill seal cap machines at speeds of up to 200 packs per minute. Whatever your product type, Shemesh has a capping solution for you. Our multi-container cappers are designed to provide accurate, efficient, torque-measured capping for a wide variety of products. The LWA series of labeling machines combines German and Israeli engineering excellence to provide the perfect automatic labeling machine solution for a wide variety of containers. Modern warehousing and distribution methods mean just about every sector uses pallets for storage and transport of their products in cases. Shemesh Automation has a range of tried and tested end-of-line packaging solutions to suit any product type. We support a global network of sales representatives and after-sales service specialists to offer you flexible and efficient support. With more than 1,800 assets in over 30 countries around the world, bespoke machinery for cosmetics, health and beauty, pharma and biotech, food and beverages, chemicals and non-wovens. Our main headquarters are located in United States, United Kingdom, France, Israel. Let us build your vision. www.shemeshautomation.com